In the last drop and supposedly last sale of Yeezy sneakers in May and June of 2024, these slippers were also available. Their retail was $70, but of course they are priced at $100 and up on the secondary market. They are the blue Adidas Yeezy slide called Azure. If you're interested in more information on the price, the design, or perhaps what size to buy, be sure to check out my other videos. You'll find reviews on plenty of other colorways from the Yeezy slide line. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.